Sir, and I have done it
In the
with
case of
both
rough
sides.
surface, let us see what happens. It is done by Adesh, the activity. In the rough surface also it is happening. The coin is falling. Yeah. Yeah, let us see Kumaresh activity. Yeah, very good. Very good. Another way he has done. So coin is not moving with along with this remote because coin wants to be at rest due to inertia of rest. We shall discuss some more examples based on the inertia. Okay. Have you ever observed that when a person is bowling, the cricket, he is bowling. Okay. Will he bowl at the point where he has starts from, or he will walk from far away and he will bowl? What do you say? And why he has to walk away from the point from where which he is supposed to bowl, but he will go some far away and he runs, and whenever he reaches that particular point, he bowls. So what is the reason behind it? Yeah, Mayuk answer is to overcome inertia. So can you kindly explain in detail, please, Mayuk? What is the inertia? Which kind of inertia is acting? Whether it is inertia of rest or inertia of motion, or what it is acting, and what he has to overcome. The bowler has to overcome.
Sir, the bowler has to overcome the inertia of rest.
Yeah, very good. So if he bowls at that particular point instantly, then what happens, Mayuk?
Sir, the ball will not go as fast. The ball will not go fast.
Yes, very good. Excellent. Yeah, he has to overcome the inertia of rest. So to overcome inertia of rest, he will run some distance and then he bowls, so that he has already overcome that inertia of rest during his running. And then once he throws the ball wants to be in the motion only, so it goes very fast. Even if the air resistance force is acting, because of inertia of rest, it wants to be continue in its motion, the ball. So that is why the ball will go fast. And if you observe, after throwing the ball also, he will move some forward. Why? Because due to inertia of motion, he doesn't want to come to rest. So that is why, due to inertia of motion, he even after throwing the ball also, he moves ahead and then he stops. Okay, this is one of the example, and I can tell one more example. Switch on the fan, for example. If you're switching on the fan, immediately it doesn't rotate. Yes or no? Immediately just after switching on, it doesn't rotate fan. Okay, because of inertia of rest. And the same fan, if you switch off, same fan is running, and if you switch off that, then immediately it will not come to rest because of inertia of motion. Okay, so these are some of the examples for inertia of rest, inertia of motion. Okay, can you tell any other inertia of direction example, please? Inertia of direction example.
Get removed from a cloth or a duster, Sir, it is example of inertia, but it is in example of inertia of motion or rest.
Inertia of rest.
And sir, can you please explain that what is the difference between motion of inertia of rest and inertia of motion? I am a bit confused.
Because the dust particles for rest, at rest, it wants to be at rest only. So dust particles will not move along with that jerk what you are giving on any carpet. If you are giving a jerk on the carpet, dust particles will not move along with the carpet. Dust particles will fall off because inertia of rest.
So means that they will try to be in rest.
Yes.
And sir, can you just say what is inertia of motion?
Inertia of motion means yes. No, I've been telling. If any body is in motion, it wants to be in motion only until unless you apply any external force. For example, I have told you already cricket bowler example. After throwing the ball also, he will not immediately stop. He will run little bit ahead, then he stops. So that is because of inertia of motion.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, splashing of mud. Kumaresh example for inertia of direction is splashing of mud from the wheels of the vehicles in motion is an example of inertia of direction. Okay. So according to his example, whenever a body moving in a circular motion, whenever a body moving in a circular motion, okay, circular motion. For example, here is the body. It is moving in a circular motion, and here, if you see its direction, the direction is in this way. And here, at this point, if you see its direction, okay, the direction is in this way. If you see here, the direction is in this way. So along the tangent, the direction of the motion of the particle which is moving in a circular motion. Okay. So what you are doing is you are actually taking a thread and you are taking a stone and you are swirling it and you are making it to move in a circular motion. Then suddenly you cut this thread at this point. Then the stone will move in this direction. The stone will move in this direction. Okay. So that is, because its motion is along this direction, it wants to continue in this direction only. So that is what inertia of direction. This is one of the example, and Kumaresh is also told the same kind. The splashing of mud from the wheels of vehicles. So wheels of vehicles move in a circular motion, and if there is a mud is attached or it is stick to this wheel, then the mud which is here, it will move in this direction. The mud which is here, it will move in this direction. It wants to maintain its direction. So that is what happens. That is what one of the example for inertia of direction. Sharbani is telling that when a football is kicked in a particular direction, it continues to move in the same direction. Yes, it continues to move in the same direction until unless the other football player applies force on it. Yeah, Sharbani, you are also correct. Very good. So, Mayuk is telling that if you move in a straight path, then rotary comes ahead, then we have to change the direction, then we tend to fall. A dog chases a hare. The hare runs a zigzag path. Is an example of inertia of direction. Sampurna's example, when we swirl water with a straw in a glass and remove the straw, yes, very good. Still the water is in a swirling motion, example of inertia of direction. Yes, very good.